This is a great time to take a break to make sure that we have everything wired up properly and no short circuits. So we're going to take our multimeter, set it to continuity. This is how I set it on mine. And you'll notice that when I touch my tips, they go beep. The first step you want to do is touch either of these contacts to the points on your XT60. There should be silence. But if I connect the red wire to the red, power. If I do black to black, power. That's great. You could also check to make sure that these wires are correct. For example, I could tap here and here. That's good. And also I'll point out, because ground is common, if I connect here and connect all the way to here, it beeps. That means the power is going all the way through. Take the red probe, touch it to the black pad, and touch it to any other minus pad, which is ground, and you'll notice it beeps everywhere. Excellent. Even all the way out to the LED wire. Very good. We are not finding any shorts here. If you check it to the positive, please check the positives also. You should get silence. Silence is golden when you check positive. You should only hear beep on the negative. Also check across the battery pads. Silence is golden. That would be bad. When I check the positive, the negative should be silent and the positives should beep. With one exception. The regulated supplies. I don't get any beep on the positives here or the negatives when connected to the positive port. But when I connect to the negative port, again, ground is common. The common ground ports will beep. So again, positive to positive on the regulated 5 and 12 volt, it will be silent, but you should get a beep on all the positive pads when connected to here. You've done a great job. This is a perfect board. Congratulations on your first soldering job. You're ready to move on to the next step.